So thank you to quite a few people in the lean community, including Adam Steck and several members of the Improvement Starts With I for sending me templates for this particular improvement. So we now have an improvement tracking board that's going in today. So to use the board, we have the empty travelers and a wet erase pen. When you have an improvement idea, you would fill the card out. So you do a description, who the originator was, the date we came up with the idea. Once it's in, and we have a target completion date and who's assigned to fix it. And then we do our 3 checks. So the first check is does a standard exist for this improvement? If not, we have to create a standard before we can make improvement. The next is the 4 criteria, which is safety, safety, quality, simplicity, and speed. And then the last, we call it a Me+3 check. So if we're going to fundamentally change a process or fundamentally change a physical production area of the shop, we need to get ourselves plus the person that was responsible for putting it the way it is, and then 2 other stakeholders before we make major changes. So we're going to check for that. So once the idea is logged, it goes into the dugout, and this baseball reference is straight from Adam Steck's group, so thank you so much. So all the potential ideas are put in the dugout. Once a day during our morning meeting, we'll review, hey, what new ideas have come in, and decide whether they should go on deck, meaning they're going to get assigned and somebody's going to do them. If they get benched, if there's some sort of larger capital spending or there is no standard yet for it, or something else that causes it to need to be delayed slightly. Once the improvement is actually worked on, it'll get moved over to in play. So these are all the ones that are active and being worked on. Bases loaded was one of my favorite ones from our tour at Southwest Steel Buildings. So these are ones where the improvement has been completed, but the before and after improvement video has not yet been completed. And then our home runs are the ones that have been seen all the way through. They've been video documented, they've been shared on our Signal app, and we'll keep them up there until we need to take a place as a reminder of all the awesome improvements that have been made. So that's how to use the new board, and we're looking forward to the additional resolution and visibility this is going to show of what's happening in the shop.